Welcome everyone. Today we will practice the formation of different letters in an alphabet. Let's come to the first alphabet. The first alphabet is first letter is A. We will make the proper formation according to the numbers written. You can first will make a slant line with the number 1. Number 1 is written. From there we'll make a slant line. Then number 2. Then 3. Same as with the small a. This is capital A. Next to it is small a. First we'll start from the red dot. You can make according to the arrow. Then number 2. Let's come to the next letter. Next is B. First is there is capital B. Red dot, make a standing line. You can also see the arrow. According to the arrow, you will make it and the proper formation will come itself. Then number 2, curve. Number 3, there is also a curve. Now we'll make small b. The next to it is small b. Starting with the red dot, looking at the arrow, standing line. Now number 2, looking at the arrow and make a curve. Next letter is C. This is easy, yes. We just have to make a simple curve. Look at the arrow carefully and then the proper formation will come. Now next is small c. Look at the red dot and the arrow. Next letter D. Drum. D for drum. Red dot. Look at the red dot. Standing line. Also see the arrows carefully. Second, number 2, look at the arrow and make a curve. Now, small d. Starting with the red dot, a curve by looking at the arrow. And number 2, standing line. Look at the arrow carefully and the numbers. Next letter is E. It is easy. We'll start again with the red dot with the capital E. Red dot, make a standing line looking at the arrow. Number 2, a small line. Number 3, a small line. Number 4, a small line. Look at the arrows carefully to make the proper formation. Now small e, starting with the red dot, a sleeping line, then a huge curve. Look at the arrow of number 2. Next letter is F. F for flower. First we'll make capital F. Starting with the red dot, standing line. Then number 2, look at the arrow number 2. It's a sleeping line. Arrow of number 3. This arrow is smaller than the second one. This is a small sleeping line. Now next to it, small f. Look at first we will start with the red dot. Make a curve and standing line. See the arrows carefully. The number 2, a small sleeping line. Coming to the next letter, it's G. G for goat. First we'll make capital G. Starting with the red dot, a huge curve. Then number 2 arrow, look at the arrow number 2. Sleeping line inside. See the arrow carefully. Where the arrow's face is there, that side will stop. The face is inside, so we will stop inside the letter G. Coming to next to it is small g. Starting with the red dot, you can also see these 3 lines made. These you have to make according to the lines. G. Starting with the red dot, curve. Then look at the second arrow very carefully. Standing line, then a small curve. Coming to the next letter, next is H. H for house. Look at the capital H. Starting with the red dot, a standing line. Another standing line is at number 2. Number 2 standing line. Then 3, a small sleeping line in between 2 standing lines. Next to it, small h. Starting with the red dot, standing line, then a curve. Look at the arrow number 2 carefully. Coming to the next letter, I. I for island. First of all, we'll make capital I. Starting with the red dot, a huge standing line, a small sleeping line at the top. You can look at the arrow number 2. There's a small sleeping line. Arrow number 3, a small sleeping line at the bottom. Now the small I. The first will make, starting with the red dot, will make a small standing line. Small I, starting with the red dot, a standing line. Now you can see at number 2 there is no arrow. There is a dot. You have to make a small dot at the top of the standing line. It will be small I. Coming to the next letter, J. J for jelly. Starting with the capital J, look at the red dot and the arrow. Standing line, then a curve. Now look at the arrow number 2 of the capital J, a small sleeping line. Coming to the small j, see there this j is made in 2 lines. Look at arrow number 1 with starting with red dot, standing line, then curve. Same as the capital J, just there is also a small dot at the top of small j. Next letter, K. K for kite. There is same procedure between them. Starting with the red dot, standing line, arrow number 2 and arrow number 3. Now I think you have understood and you can make them easily now. Now small k, same as the capital A we have made, a standing line. Then look at the arrow number 2. It's from the second line. Then arrow number 3. It is same as capital A. Coming to the next letter, it is L. L is very easy. L for lemon. Starting with the red dot, make a standing line. Then arrow number 2, sleeping line. Small l, starting with the red dot, one standing line only. Next letter is M. Starting with the red dot, capital M, standing line, slanting line, then again slanting line, then again standing line. You can make them easily by looking at the numbers and the arrows carefully. Small m, always start with the red dot and observe the numbers and arrows carefully. Standing line, curve and bring it down. Then a curve, then bring it down. Next letter is N. Starting with capital N, standing line, slanting line, standing line. Small n, starting with red dot, standing line, then curve. Look at the arrows. By looking at the arrows and numbers carefully, the formation will be very good. N for night. Next letter is O. O for owl. Starting with capital O and red dot. Observe the arrow. You have to make a circle, a whole circle. Small o will come in only 2 lines. Same procedure as capital O. Next letter. P. P for pig. First, starting with capital P and red dot. Arrow, standing line, then number 2 arrow, curve. Now small p, starting with the red dot. Observe the red dot carefully. It is on the second line, not on the first line, on the second line. Then a standing line, then a curve. There is also gap between this circle. Observe and make. Don't just starting writing them. First observe carefully and make. This is the next letter here, Q. Q for queen. Same as O. Starting with the red dot, a huge circle, then a small slanting line at number 2 and see the arrow. Small q, always start with the red dot. Red dot is the starting point. Curve, standing line, then a small slanting line. Next letter is R. R for raspberry. Starting with red dot, standing line. Second arrow is, there is a curve. Third arrow, slanting line. Now small r, starting with red dot. Standing line, then a small curve. Observe the arrows. Next letter is S. S for snake. First we'll make capital S, starting with the red dot. Curve, bring it forward, then again curve. Small s is also same, but it will come between two lines. In every letter you have to observe the red dot and the arrows numbers carefully. Now here is the next letter, T. Starting with the red dot, standing line, then number 2, sleeping line. Look at the arrow and make. Then look at now small t, red dot, standing line, then a small sleeping line in between, not at the top, in between. Coming to the next letter, U. U for unicorn. Starting with the capital U and the red dot. Make a big curve. I think you have understood how to make. Now small u, starting with the red dot. Curve, then number 2 arrow, look at arrow number 2, standing line. Coming to the next letter, next is V. V for volcano. Starting with the red dot, slanting line, then again slanting line. Look at the arrows carefully. Where there is a pointed thing, there you have to stop. Same as capital V. Small v is also same as capital V, just it is made between two lines. Starting with red dot, slanting line, then one more slanting line. Coming to the next letter, W. Starting with the red dot, slanting line, down to up to down to up. First, starting from the top, coming to down, slant line. Then starting from down, going to the top, slanting line. Starting from the top, coming to down, slanting line. Starting from the bottom, going to the top. Like this. Observe arrows, numbers very carefully, and always use a sharp pencil. Starting with the red dot, small w. This is also same as capital W, just it is between two lines. Coming to next letter, X. X for xylophone. Starting with the red dot, slanting line, then one more slanting line crossing the first line. Look at the X carefully and also the arrows and the numbers. Small x is also same as capital X. It is just between two lines. Next letter is Y, starting with the red dot, slanting line, starting from the first line coming to second line. Same as number 2, starting from the first line coming to the second line. Then a small standing line starting from second line and ending at third line. This is capital Y. Now coming to small y. Starting with the red dot, slant line, then one more slant line. Second slant line should be bigger than the first slant line. Y for yo-yo. Now the last letter is Z, also called Z. Z is the correct pronunciation of this. Starting from the red dot, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line, observing the numbers and the arrows. Small z, starting from the red dot, sleeping line, slanting line, sleeping line. Same as capital Z, it is between two lines. I hope you have understood the formation properly. You cannot make the correct pronunciation or you cannot make the correct formation of them at once. You have to practice them daily and then you can make the correct pronunciation and the formation. To make your handwriting more beautiful, you should practice them daily. If you have understood, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thanks for watching.